Hey there, Honda Odyssey owners. Ready to transform your driving experience? Whether you're cruising on highways, navigating slick roads, or hauling the whole family, your tires can make or break the ride. Today, I'm revealing the top 7 best tires for Honda Odyssey that will skyrocket your comfort, boost fuel efficiency, and give you unbeatable grip in all conditions. These aren't just any tires, they're the game changers trusted by thousands of drivers in 2024. From all-season champions to ultra-quiet performers, we've tested and ranked them all so you don't have to waste time or money. Want better handling, longer tread life, and peace of mind on every journey? You're in the right place. So buckle up, your perfect tire upgrade starts now. Number 7. Goodyear Winter Command 205/60 R1692T tire is a top-tier choice for winter driving, especially if you're searching for the best tires for Honda Odyssey. Engineered for tough winter conditions, this tire features flexible sipes that bite into ice and snow, giving you the traction you need to stay safe and confident on slippery roads. The corrugated, angled sipes enhance cornering stability, making each turn feel secure even in harsh weather. Designed with a non-directional tread pattern and a 13 mm tread depth, it delivers reliable grip and control. With a load capacity of 62.2 pounds and a maximum pressure of 51 psi. It's built for durability and performance. Plus, the option for studs adds even more traction when conditions get extreme. Sized at 205/60 R16, the Goodyear Winter Command tire fits your Odyssey perfectly and ensures a smooth, stable ride through snow, slush, and ice. Get ready to conquer winter with confidence. Number 6. Falken delivers top-tier performance with the Falken 275/40ZR 1798 WZN's FK 510 UHPS BW tire, an excellent choice for drivers seeking the best tires for Honda Odyssey. Designed for superior ultra-high performance, this tire features tension control technology for enhanced ride comfort and precise handling. Thanks to its flexible middle sidewall that absorbs road shocks, the wide shoulder blocks offer outstanding grip and cornering stability at high speeds, while the asymmetrical tread pattern ensures consistent traction. With circumferential grooves, it effectively channels water to resist hydroplaning, keeping you safe in wet conditions. Engineered for a universal fit with a load capacity of 1,653 pounds, this 17-inch tire combines durability and style with a tread depth of 10/32 inch and a speed rating of W. Whether you're commuting or cruising, the Falken Azini's FK 510 provides the reliability and performance your Honda Odyssey deserves. Number 5. Cooper Endeavor Plus All-Season 235/60 R18XL 107V tire is a reliable choice for year-round driving, making it one of the best tires for Honda Odyssey. Launched in 2021, it offers a 65,000-mile treadwear warranty and is built with a smart tread design that reduces road noise for a quiet, smooth ride. Its advanced water evacuation grooves and checkmark channels provide excellent traction in wet conditions, helping you drive confidently in the rain. The reinforced construction ensures even tread wear and long tire life, while the wear square indicator lets you easily monitor tread depth at a glance. With a load capacity of 149 pounds and AV speed rating, it's ideal for family vehicles like the Odyssey. The 4-ply rating and 50 psi max pressure give it solid durability and strength for everyday use. If you're looking for all-season performance, comfort, and peace of mind, the Cooper Endeavor Plus is a top contender. Number 4. Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 delivers exceptional year-round performance, making it one of the best tires for Honda Odyssey. Designed specifically for SUVs, CUVs, and light trucks, this 275/55 R2117H XL tire offers a perfect blend of durability, comfort, and control. With an innovative tread compound and full-depth sipes, it ensures confident traction and braking from the first mile to the last, even in wet conditions. The symmetrical tread design and 3D sipe technology enhance handling and stability for a smooth, secure ride. Built with a 10-ply rating and a load capacity of 833 pounds. It's made to withstand long journeys without compromising performance, whether you're commuting or heading on a family road trip. The Pirelli Scorpion All-Season Plus 3 fits your Honda Odyssey like a glove, offering premium quality trusted by top vehicle brands like Audi, Ford, Jeep, and Toyota. A reliable tire that's ready to roll in any season. Number 3. Michelin Cross Climate 2 All-Season Car Tire is a top choice for drivers seeking year-round performance and reliability. Designed to handle rain, shine, and even light snow, this premium tire delivers confidence in all conditions, making it one of the best tires for Honda Odyssey. With a size of 225/65 or 17102H, it features a directional tread pattern and advanced 3D sight block technology for improved grip and tread wear resistance. The V-shaped tread design ensures even force distribution, while piano acoustic tuning keeps your ride unexpectedly quiet. Built to last, it outperforms for leading competitors by up to 15,000 miles, giving you an extra year of tread life, even when worn. The Cross Climate 2 offers impressive stopping power, up to 16 feet shorter on dry roads and 56 feet on wet pavement. Plus, it's backed by 60,000-mile tread wear limited warranty and 60-day satisfaction guarantee. If you're looking for all-season safety, comfort, and durability, this Michelin tire is a smart investment. Number 2. Bridgestone 285/45 R 22110H Alenza Ultra Highway All-Season Tire is a top pick for anyone looking to upgrade their Honda Odyssey with premium performance and year-round reliability. This tire features a new high silica compound that enhances wet and winter traction, while snow vices provide extra grip on snowy roads, perfect for unpredictable weather. With Quiet Track technology, you'll enjoy a smooth and quiet ride, making every drive more comfortable. Built with a directional tread and a 4-ply rating, it supports a load capacity of up to 337 pounds and is rated for speeds up to H. The 80,000-mile limited warranty ensures long-lasting durability, offering peace of mind and value for your investment, whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway. The Bridgestone Alenza AS Ultra delivers confidence, comfort, and control, ideal for families, road trippers, and daily commuters. This is one of the best tires for Honda Odyssey in terms of performance, safety, and ride quality. Number 1. Continental 235/65 R 18106T Conti Cross Contact LX25BW is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking the best tires for Honda Odyssey. Designed with Continental's innovative Eco Plus technology, this tire delivers impressive fuel savings, longer tread life, and shorter braking distances on wet roads. With a robust tread depth of 12/32 and a load capacity of 2,094 pounds, ensures durability and confidence on the road. The tire's non-directional tread pattern provides responsive year-round handling, while the low road noise enhances driving comfort for you and your passengers. Plus, it comes with an outstanding limited manufacturer tread life coverage of up to 70,000 miles. Sized at 235/65 or 18 with a tire diameter of 30.1 inches. This model offers the perfect fit and performance balance for family vans like the Odyssey, whether you're commuting or heading out on a road trip. The Cross Contact LX25 is built to deliver smooth, safe, and reliable performance every mile of the way. In conclusion, choosing the best tires for Honda Odyssey can make a huge difference in comfort, safety, and performance, whether you drive daily or take long family road trips. The right tires matter. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect match for your Odyssey. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with fellow Honda owners. See you in the next one with more top picks and reviews.